In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D objects in Microsoft PowerPoint 2021. With this guide, you'll be adding depth and dimension to your presentations in no time. So, whether you're a seasoned PowerPoint user or just starting out, stay tuned as I walk you through each step of this simple yet powerful process. First things first, let's get Microsoft PowerPoint up and running on your computer. It's important to ensure that you have PowerPoint 2021 installed, as earlier versions may not support the features we'll be using today. Once you're in, open the presentation where you'd like to add a 3D model. This could be a new project, or you could enhance an existing presentation with these dynamic visuals. Now that your presentation is open, direct your attention to the top of your screen and navigate to the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all the tools needed to enrich your slides with various elements, including what we're focusing on today, 3D models. With the Insert tab open, locate the button labelled 3D models. Clicking on this will present you with a couple of options. For this tutorial, we'll select Stock 3D models, which are pre-designed and ready to use. At this point, you have access to a vast library of high-quality 3D models. These range from simple geometric shapes to complex structures and allow you to find the perfect model to match the theme or message of your presentation. Use the search bar to explore different categories or type in specific keywords to find exactly what you need. For example, if you're working on a presentation about the environment, you might search for trees or the earth. Take your time to explore the available models because selecting the right one will add significant value to your slide. Once you've found the perfect 3D model, click on it to select it. Then simply hit the Insert button. This action will place the 3D model directly onto your slide. It's as easy as that. You can now click and drag the model to position it wherever you'd like within the slide. And don't worry about size, you can adjust the dimensions by dragging the corners of the bounding box that appears around your model. Feel free to rotate the model too by using the handle that appears above it when selected. This allows you to view it from any angle, giving your presentation a professional and polished look. Remember, utilizing 3D models can bring an entirely new level of engagement to your slides. Viewers are often captivated by the added depth and realism, making your presentation not only informative but visually appealing. And there you have it, you've mastered the art of inserting 3D objects into your PowerPoint presentation. Keep practicing and experimenting with different models to enhance your creativity and presentation skills. Thanks for watching and happy presenting!